26-year-old Eric Peterson of Champion in Marquette Township entered a guilty plea on 2 counts of breaking and entering a building with intent to commit a larceny. Each felony count is punishable by up to 10 years in prison. Peterson was arrested in January by the Marquette County Sheriff's Office. Police say Peterson is responsible for several breaking and entering crimes in the Trowbridge area of Marquette Township.
I was going in to find whatever that I could to feed my addiction.
Peterson will be sentenced on April 22nd. 32-year-old Allison DeLynn of Ishpeming also entered a plea agreement. DeLynn pleaded guilty to 1 felony count of embezzlement by an agent or trustee greater than $1,000 but less than $20,000. 2 other charges against DeLynn were dismissed as part of the plea agreement. DeLynn will be back in court for sentencing on April 29th. 21-year-old Abdul Rahman Eldakar of Marquette entered a guilty plea to 1 count of larceny in a building. The Marquette City Police Department arrested Eldakar in November for taking a prescription medication from his roommate's residence. Larceny in a building is a 4-year felony. Eldakar will be sentenced on April 22nd. 29-year-old Kaylee Comment pleaded guilty to 2 counts at her arraignment hearing. Comment pleaded guilty to 1 count of possession of a controlled substance, a felony, and larceny less than $200, which is a misdemeanor. As part of the plea agreement, another charge against her was dropped. Comment was arrested last month by the Marquette City Police Department. She will be sentenced on April 22nd. Finally, 24-year-old Tyler Paquette of Marquette entered a guilty plea to 1 count of possession of a controlled substance, analogs. Paquette was arrested by police in January on that charge. He will be sentenced in Marquette County Circuit Court on May 6th.